Hey, 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 what do you know? What do you say? It's Lou Bortone with AI today, and we're going to keep it short and sweet today. But I wanted to show you a couple of apps that I created using Lovable. So I'm going to go right to my screen share. You won't be able to see everything, but I think you'll be able to get the gist here. Lovable.dev is what they call it. And you can create apps and websites with just a simple prompt, which is nuts. No code, no tech. So I have created a bunch of apps. As you can see, some of them are just little silly things like the ancient Roman name generator. But I've also got some other ones that I'll show you about finding your video sweet spot, which is that intersection of where you and your audience kind of intersect for the best kind of videos that you can create for you and your particular brand. We've got a video script generator and all kinds of cool stuff. I'll just go right to the apps and show you what we mean here with a couple of quick examples once I get this out of the way. This one is the Find Your Video Sweet Spot assessment. So discover which types of videos will have the biggest impact on your small business. So this is an assessment that I had that was manual, but now it's an app and it's really easy to use, just takes a couple minutes. And once you fill out the assessment, this will tell you whether you are better off doing live videos versus recorded videos or TikTok videos versus Instagram Reels. So you just take the brief assessment and you can find out exactly what types of videos are best suited to your business. So when I created this app, it built the entire thing out for me with the assessment and even some information about me and links and all kinds of good stuff. So that's the video sweet spot assessment. Another app that I have in here is the one of the original ones that I created for the 31 flavors of video promotion. And this is the AI video script generator. And this has come a long way as well. So you've got all kinds of categories or niches in here. So you just pick your niche. So let's just say it's life coaching. You click on that. And then you've got basically 31 days of prompts or ideas for videos. If we look at day 20 here, this is how AI and automation are changing life coaching. You can go right to generate your script. You can get a different idea if you don't like that one by hitting regenerate, or you can personalize it here. So I added this recently. So this is cool. That way you can target it to a beginning audience, an intermediate audience, or an expert audience. And you can make the tone casual, professional, or enthusiastic, and the length short, medium, or detailed. So once I hit generate personalized script, you'll see here that it instantly gives you the entire script for your video. Now, this is pretty long. So if you want to do a shorter version here, there's an option to make a YouTube Shorts version, which is cool. So if you click that, it'll just create a much shorter version of the script for you right down here. So you can see that's significantly shorter. Whatever you generate or whatever you create, you can copy it, you can save it to your drive, or you can create it as a teleprompter script, which is really cool because then you can put it in the teleprompter and it will look like that. Of course, I forgot to put a home button, a back button on it. Now I have to get back to it. Anyway, so that's pretty cool. That's the original video script generator, which will give you ideas and scripts for your videos, and you can customize it. You can change the niche. If you go to travel, same kind of thing. You get all kinds of different ideas, and then you just pick the one that you want. You can personalize it by clicking a few of these things here and then just generate personalized script. And the whole script will appear there for you. And you can, again, copy it, save it to a drive, or make a teleprompter version. So that's a pretty cool, handy little app. So you never have to really look at a blank page again, even if it just gives you ideas and you don't use the exact script. And of course, you can make a YouTube Shorts version of any of these scripts. And then finally, we have our AI tools assessment, and this one is really cool. Actually, we'll go through this one together to help find your perfect AI tech stack. Now, I created this because there's so damn many tools coming out every day AI tools, constantly barraged with new AI tools. So, how do you find out the ones that are actually going to work for your business and the ones that will most benefit you and your business? So, that's what this assessment is for. You can start here, it takes a couple minutes, and it asks you what type of business that you run, and then how big is your team? Is it just me? Is it a few people? I'm just going to put in some random things here. What's your biggest time suck? I'll say creating graphics. Which tools you ought to use so it won't suggest the same old tools. How do you feel about new technology? Make it simple. I'll try it if it's not too complicated, willing to learn new things, or bring on the tech. Let's do that one just for fun. And then how do you prefer to work? Simple. Do you want tools that work together well? Do you want best in class for specific tasks? And then finally, if you could wave a magic wand, what would you most want AI to handle for you? And I'm going to say automating repetitive tasks. That's it. So now you can see the results are instantaneous. It gave me 6 tools. Average cost is $12 a month. And it suggests Gamma, which ironically I just did a big presentation on this morning that I can share with you. Where you going, Rocco? Napkin.ai, which I love for visual storytelling. It's interesting here. It says Lou's top pick for you. Framer AI for web design, N8N, which is for creating apps, Otter for transcriptions, Typeface. I don't even know what that one does. But the cool thing about that is that if you click on any of these where it says check it out, you'll go to that site, directly to that site. Not an affiliate link, just a regular plain old link back to the site, which is cool. I'm going to have to add a back button here again, which I forgot. But you can click on any of these to go and check it out. And if you need help implementing any of them or want to talk to a real live human being, you can book a session with Dawn and I that goes right to our calendar. And at the bottom here, you can take the assessment again. This is pretty cool. It gave us a whole bunch of app ideas that we can explore, the cost, and then a brief description of what they do. So if I click on any of the links here, that'll bring you right to that app itself. So this was napkin.ai, which is really a cool app for creating documents and contextual models and things like that. So those are 3 of the apps that we have created, and you can get all 3 of those apps for free at, let me check my link here, loubortone.com/AI freebie. Let's take a look and see if that actually works. So the cool thing about that is you just have to opt in and it'll give you instant access to all 3 of those apps. loubortone.com/AI freebie. And there you have it. It'll show you where you opt in here. That's Don and I. And then after you opt in, you'll get access to all of those apps, all 3 apps for free. The AI video script generator, personalized video sweet spot assessment, and a special quiz to identify your ideal AI tools and resources, all for free. So that's what we're up to here. We're making apps, we're having some fun, we're delving into AI in a big way and really just trying to take full advantage of the resources that are out there for you. So that's it for AI today. And we will hopefully be back tomorrow and we'll catch up with you then with more tools and resources for leveraging AI in your business. Thanks and bye for now.